this Microsoft Access tutorial video, we are going to learn about how can we calculate any kind of calculations like sum, average, these kind of calculations using Microsoft Access 2007 or any kind of version. So for that we have to open Microsoft Access, and you can see already I have some calculations done over here. I have created a very simple table inside this particular database called calculations, and inside this particular database I have a table called table calculation, and after that you can see I have number 1 this column and number 2 this column. So these two fields contain the data type as number, and after that I have created this particular calculation using a few options. So I will be illustrating in this video how you can do it. So I will be going to create a new table. So right click on this table, go to design view, and I will be naming this table as calculation underscore table 2. Okay, not 2, let's say 1. Okay, so I will be clicking on OK, and after that I will be giving the field names. Let's say num underscore 1. This is the num1 first field, number, and the second field will be num underscore 2, and data type will be again number. Right click on this table calculation 1, and I will be clicking on save, and after that I will be going to view, datasheet view, and after that let's insert a few numbers, 235, 250. Okay, press enter. Now we have to take this option, not this option. I will be going to show you the totals in the records group. If you are using 2007 version, it will be available inside home tab, records group, and you can see the totals. And after that you have to click on total, and in this particular section, that is the total, you have to click the drop down and then take sum. So you can see that the sum is 235 because I don't have any kind of numbers over here. Let's say 55, and here let's say 56. And now if I go to this again, and you can see it's automatically updated to 290, and again do it like this, let's say sum, and you can see it's 306. Similarly I can find the average of these two numbers like this. The average, it's 145, and here the average as well, it's 153. I can count how many numbers are there here, so I'm going to take count. It's 2 numbers of course, and it's 2 numbers. Next I will be doing is finding the maximum. So 235 is the maximum, and we can say that 250 is the maximum. And again, let's say the minimum, this is the minimum, and here this is the minimum. And what is standard deviation? So the standard deviation value is 127.27, mean, median, mode. So you can see the hashtags coming, so I will be increasing. Yep, it's showing nicely now. Standard deviation here, it's 137.17 approximately, so I will be doing it like this. So, and the last one is the variance. You can do the variance, it's 16,200. These are all mathematical calculations, and variance as well I can do over here, 18,880. So this is how you can perform calculations using Microsoft Access 2007 or any kind of versions of Microsoft Access. Remember, Microsoft Access is not like Microsoft Excel. This is a relational database management system, and MS Excel is a flat file database management system. So there are a few differences between these two, and if you want a detailed series of videos on Microsoft Excel, then do certainly comment in the comment section. I will certainly try to make videos on that, like I am making videos on MS Excel, I mean MS Access. I will be doing it for you as well. So watch the video till the end, as I said, and subscribe to the channel if you are interested in computer tips, computer tricks, computer tutorials, and also programming languages and all computer related videos. Then subscribe to the channel, and the like aim for this video is only 10 likes. Give 10 likes, you can do it, I know. So to join Technical Thief family, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button, and join this family for more content. See you all again next time in another video. Till then, goodbye and take care.